Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to customize dark cotton t-shirts using SUBLIFLEX Thermo-adhesive sublimation fabric. For this project, we're going to need a printer with sublimation ink, a heat press, sublimation paper, heat-resistant tape, a lint roller, butcher paper, and of course SUBLIFLEX Thermo-adhesive sublimation fabric. In the video description down below, I will leave the list and links of all the products and supplies used in this tutorial. I will start with the tutorial, but before, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. I already have the design already printed. If you would like to use this design, I invite you to visit me on my blog. There you may download it for free. I'm going to transfer this design to the sublimation fabric, but I'm going to cut around the design first, not too close to the design. Before placing the design, let's clean the surface of the fabric. Place the design and secure it with heat-resistant tape. Make sure the paper side is on the back. I secure it with heat-resistant tape so it doesn't move when pressing. When pressing, we're going to place a piece of butcher paper under and one on top. Since this is a big piece of butcher paper, I'm just going to fold it and leave the material in the middle. Now I'm going to press it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Here it is. I love the colors, very vivid and bright. Now let's cut around the design. Now we're going to transfer it to the t-shirt. But before, let's clean the t-shirt using a lint roller. Now let's press it for 20 seconds to remove the wrinkles. Place a big piece of butcher paper on top when doing this process. And here's the design. Now we're going to remove the paper from the back. It's very easy to remove. Now place it and align it on the t-shirt. Now we're going to press it at 400 degrees for 50 seconds. And here we have the customized cotton t-shirts using SUBLIFLEX Thermo-adhesive sublimation fabric. I love how they turn out. The colors are very vivid and bright, and the design is permanent. Lasts up to 200 washes. If you would like to know more about SUBLIFLEX, find the link in the video description down below so you can check it out. And if you like these designs, don't forget, visit me on my blog so you can download them for free. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.